Hello, so we're back here, and what I'm going to be doing today is getting the login to work. Basically, the login button to work. That's what we want. It was already working before, so we're just going to kind of copy things over from the login folder on over. So start doing it. So callback. And what I've done is I've created a component called auth, and that's going to hold all my stuff. And callback. Oh, I don't have a callback. So do one with you guys. Callback JSX. Boom. So let's go through this. We import React. I create a class that extends it and have a render function. Don't even show this alt loading. Image tag. I just write up straight up show loading. Pretty simple to me. History. Oh yeah, history really doesn't like do anything, but it is a very important and required piece. Login. You gotta have the login. So we're gonna go to login. So we import auth. We have our React component, and then we get auth from /auth because it's right here. So same level, boom. Log out. Oh, don't forget to do that. Okay, let's do log out. Oh, log out's a little bit longer for some reason. We import auth, React, auth again, splash page. Oh, so once you call log out, we're going to show, I guess, the welcome page. Because it'll be up to auth, then up to, you go to pages, and welcome page. Welcome page. Just like that. Don't need anything in there. Welcome page. Okay. Looks good to me. Let's go to our welcome page. And this guy is going to do a go to. Yeah, because he's got a go to thing. And we're going to create a new route that says hey, if you see /login, we're going to go to login. Yeah? I guess I wouldn't go to login, would I? I don't know what I would do. Let's see. Oh yeah, login, we do show login, right? So I need to import login from /the component /auth/login. I guess I should probably use the page login, but Let's try that. History. Okay, so to use the auth, we probably need these guys back. And that would mean that they are then inside dot slash components slash auth callback. We want same thing for history. Oh, cannot find dot slash history. Components auth history. Bam. Log in. Cool.